How to stop email text messages on iPhone. Open up your settings, scroll all the way down, and over here you will see the messages icon. So try to find messages. If you don't see it over here, you want to click on apps. And from here, you want to find messages. Once you see it, click on it. Once your messages opens up, scroll all the way down until you see the option filter unknown senders. Turn this on. Once you do that, if anybody unknown person or like any unknown email from like, your contact or like, people who are not added in your contact sends you mail, it's going to sort that out into another specific area. So you're not going to get any spam. Only the people who knows and who are added in your contact can like, send message, and that message is going to appear on your messages app. Anyone who's unknown is going to be sorted out in another place. So you can do that. And the other thing you can do is just go inside your contact and individually block the person who is spamming you. The other thing you can do is basically that's the only option you have. Either you can turn on the unknown filter or you can like, block them. Those are the two options. So that's how you guys can stop email text messages on iPhone. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.